Greetings from Florida. We're working on a 2006 to 2014 Subaru Tribeca. Changing the window regulator motor assembly. This is at 4 times the speed, so it's a little sped up. You've got a couple covers there and Phillips screws behind it. Pop off that whole housing and unplug it. The plastic bezel that's around the handle is probably going to break on you. A little bit of super glue when you get to it. It's a real pain to get out. I was careful, but it breaks. Yep, so a little bit of super glue right there. Let it set. Panel comes off by pulling out. The reason that her motor wore out on this car was because the switch is actually damaged. Whenever you'd pull the switch up or down, it stayed up or down, so it kept the motor going even after the window was all the way up or down. So really need to change the switch if that's the problem. I'm going to take off the plastic for you so you can see everything. Normally you don't need to, but pop those in, push those in, and you can pull the whole clip out. If this video benefits you, please like, L-I-K-E, like the video. That'll help other people find it. So we got one 10mm bolt there, and this motor was dead as a doornail. It wasn't going anywhere. So you need to get to the other 10mm bolt as well. A lot of times if you tap it with a hammer, give it a whack with a hammer, that'll get it going again too, but that didn't work either. So I took out the other 6 bolts. Oh, here I am trying to apply current directly to the motor. That didn't work either. This motor was dead. So what I eventually did was took out all the bolts, and then the whole thing can slide down. The entire assembly, the entire regulator assembly can slide down. Ideally, I want to get it to that point right there so I can get that other 10mm bolt out. Little WD-40 on the 2 channels on the sides, the up and down channels on the sides. Don't soak it, just give it a quick up and down spray. That'll help the glass go up quite easily. Alright, so now I was just changing the motor on this. I'm taking the motor off of the regulator. I'm showing you there where it is, but the problem was that I didn't have enough torque when it wasn't on the ground. So I ended up putting it on the ground to get them off, and one of the screws stripped out. So I had to get a pair of vice clamps to get the damn thing off. It was a little frustrating. But you learn as you go. And I'm just checking the regulator, making sure the teeth are okay. Oh, the spring had fallen off too. There's a spring that keeps the window up, and the motor pulls against it to bring it down, and the spring assists it to go back up. So when you take it out, pay careful attention to which way the spring goes, because you want to put it back in the same direction. Some of these are under a lot of pressure, so you got to be careful. This one's not. So I've got the motor back in, and now the 10mm bolts. If you have any questions, ask them right here on this YouTube page. I'll be happy to answer them. If you'd like me to come do this for you, there's a good idea. I'm in Tampa Bay, Florida, Sarasota, Tampa Bay. If you happen to be in the area and you'd like this done, just give me a call. Ask me on the page and I'll get back to you. Usually available same day, next day. BOS CH, Bosch tools. They are by far the best. I've used everything over the years. Best quality, indestructible, great customer service. Highly recommend Bosch tools. I'm not getting paid to promote them. Well, not yet anyway. Maybe after they see this video. Okay, so now we're going to put in the two 10mm bolts. All you have to do here is be careful not to strip the threads on the clips that go to the glass. That would be an issue, but success. So now I'm going to put it all back together. You're welcome to watch the end of it. You probably have enough information now to do it. If you have any questions, again, ask. If this was helpful, please like the video. And thank you for watching and have a great week.